Alright, this is the word clock with this button that would be built right in there. We turn on the Wi-Fi, and when we do, that little blue LED in the corner lights up. What tells us the Wi-Fi is active? Once we have the Wi-Fi active from a browser on a computer or a mobile phone, we look for the network. Alright, we can see it's active and the network shows up here. Word clock and the ESP32 serial number. We enter the password, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we connect. Now, let's go to the browser and we go to the address 192.168.4.1. And we open the clock app. Here we can turn down the brightness, turn it up. Can we set the time using the phone's time? Okay, can we change it manually? Can we set it to 5? It's 5:15 and it sets it to 5:15. We can adjust the fade speed, choose different types of transitions, for example, blinking. And now when the minute changes, for example, when we show the time, it blinks. Say we can choose preset colors like rainbow colors, or we can turn on a global color, which lets us make everything red or everything yellow or blue, or we can customize the color of each element. For example, the minutes can be blue, the header, make it green or white or pink, and you keep changing the color, the hours. Make them green, they turn green. Yellow, okay, and this is the app that's embedded inside the ESP32.